Hey guys, today we are unboxing the UDI Force 1 drone, the U28W. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like right out of the package, and it's got very good packaging, might I add. Everything came secure and in place, very well packaged. I'm definitely impressed with that. The U28W FPV drone, it's got some pretty cool features. As you can see here, if my camera will focus, it's got real-time FPV. It does support the virtual goggles, headless mode, 360 flip aerial stunts, one-button takeoff and landing. All those are really good features, even for those like myself that's been flying drones for a while. I still use those features. Spare parts and extra batteries are always a must when you're flying drones, because you never know when you're going to break something or need another prop on the fly. Comes with extra parts, extra blade guards. The only thing that's not included on this are batteries for the remote, which that's never a problem. Like myself, I've always got plenty of batteries laying around. The size doesn't really dictate the performance. Big things come in small packages sometimes. Pretty cool drone, I have to say. I like it, and again, it's another great UDI product. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.